District courts are the first avenues of justice for ordinary citizens in India. Litigants revere them as temples of justice, and for hundreds of lawyers, court staff, judges, and other service providers, they are places of work and livelihood. As India grows, our court systems must adapt to the needs of diverse users. Courts must become accessible, technology-enabled, and welcoming in the true sense. Since 2018, the JALDI team at Vidhi has been drawing attention to the status of judicial infrastructure in India. A survey undertaken of 665 district courts showed a lack of basic amenities to meet the needs of most users of the district courts. What would a modern, user-centric court complex look and feel like?
Couple of things that I would focus on. One is the entire navigation part of it. When I say navigation, I mean the ability to get in smoothly, get out smoothly, or the ability to navigate within the court complex from point A to point B. If you have to locate something, it should not be too difficult to locate, say a chamber or a particular courtroom. If you have to gather information from display board or from facilities like E-Seva Kendra, all of that process should be easy and smooth.
The elevators should be functional, and there should be more elevators. They should stop on all the floors, and so that pregnant lawyers can utilize those elevators to attend matters when they are spread across, say, 6 floors. They cannot run like others. For hygiene, the toilet facilities need to be better. Also, because pregnant women typically in their first trimester tend to have a fair bit of nausea, as I did, and you need to have a toilet that is readily accessible on every floor, that is also very clean.
Incorporating technology in the various kind of administrative bureaucratic procedures that actually constitutes a large part of the work that we do, and that makes a big difference in our kind of experience in courts. Outside of just hearings that happen before a bench.
In the journey to make courts user-centric, it is necessary to understand the experiences of the day-to-day users of the court complexes. How is your experience with the court complex today?
So the first thing that I think of when I enter district court is how to figure out what numbers going on which court and when will my matter come up. The thing is, there is no display board which comprehensively will show you what's happening or what numbers going on in every court. So that would be a sort of infrastructural problem that I face, and even when you go to a court, go inside, sometimes it's not going serial number wise, there is no order, and that becomes a little difficult for litigants as well as counsels.
With the courts encouraging a lot of digital filing, e-filing and video conferencing hearings, it is very important that there is proper availability of internet in the courts.
मकानों की खस्ता हालत, मूलभूत सुविधाओं की कमी और दीवारों पर थूका हुआ, और there is no help desk to help to guide people.
A journey that could be bettered with the provision of sufficient physical and technological infrastructure that includes e-hosting or web hosting of all papers filed in a case, quick and immediate updation of daily orders, interim orders or final orders, as well as a deeper and greater use of video conferencing facilities across the district court level.
As a practicing lawyer, I believe that provision for libraries, dedicated training rooms, conference rooms, canteens, it will help lawyers practicing in any court complex have a better day-to-day experience.
Another problem which a lot of people face when they enter the district court is with the lack of proper facilities for the people who are physically handicapped.
JALDI aims to work with the judiciary to transform courts into spaces where justice as an ideal is seen and experienced. JALDI presents its new report, Court Design Handbook, a design guide for a user-centric court complex in India. Our aim is to create modern and user-centric courts that meet the needs of the 21st century users. In collaboration with experts from interdisciplinary fields, the handbook aims to design courts that are accessible, adaptable, comfortable and safe, efficient and sustainable. What does your ideal court complex look like? Let's reimagine and build the courts of our future together.